Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2000 and 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the side obstacle detection system, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Well guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered up free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, for the side obstacle detection, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban right here. Now guys, both vehicles are built on the same platform, so it should apply to both. The only difference is the Suburban is longer. Quick reminder, most people, 9 out of 10 people probably do not know that there are many hidden fuse boxes, and we made a very helpful video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban. Check it out guys. Now here what we need to check, we need to first open the passenger door. Then on the side of the dash you have a cover right here. Pry that cover open, behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, we will need to check one fuse. Let's zoom in, we'll talk about relays in a little bit. But now, the fuse that we need to check is known as fuse number 28. It's a double fuse, this double 10M fuse. Those are known as micro 3 fuses. They're super hard to find or very expensive, that's why we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping. Now, what about relays? You don't have relays. That fuse is known as a relay fuse, so if you have problems with that system, that will be the only thing that you will need to check. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck guys in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.